Alright, what is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about the best online business ideas for making money fast. Let's dive right into it. Now, if you've never heard of content writing or you're not sure what exactly it is, there's tons of people out there who are building websites or they're building businesses online. They want to establish a web presence, but they do not have time to write the content, whether it be for their website or for their social media profiles or for content for social media or an ebook. It could be multiple different things, but a lot of times they just need content for their website. So this is where you could come in. You could come in and get paid to actually write the content for their website. They could be, let's say, a plumbing contractor, and you could write an article about why it would be a perfect fit for someone who's looking for a plumber to hire that company. That's what content writing is all about, and it's a great way to actually get going and start making some money. So how do you get started? Well, there's lots of sites out there. There's sites like iWriter, Text Broker. You could even create a Fiverr gig for this and put up your content writing services. So if you are someone who likes to write, then this is probably a good fit for you. So let's pretend that you have a specific brand of batteries that you like for a camera, and you want to recommend them to someone else. Maybe it's the internet, some other people out on the internet, or maybe it's just a friend. Imagine if you could actually get paid for recommending that product that you absolutely love. In this case, let's just say batteries, but it could be anything. It could be a digital product. It could be a physical product. What if you got paid for that? Wouldn't that be awesome? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. And there's lots of different ways to make money with affiliate marketing, whether you create a blog or you create a Pinterest account or you just share stuff on your Facebook profile. Okay, you could get paid for that. Now there's sites out there like ClickBank, which work for digital products. There's Amazon, which works for physical products. And you can find just about any type of affiliate program out there if you just do a Google search for whatever your niche is and an affiliate program, and you can get paid. Now digital products typically pay more, upwards of 50%, and physical products, they usually pay a lot less, usually under 10%, because there's shipping and overhead and stuff involved with it that you just don't see with digital products. This is great if you just like sharing things with people, you like adding value. It's a good way to add value, share things with people, and get paid for it in the process. With that being said, web development is something that I actually got started with when I was first starting. You may be thinking, well, I don't know how to program, or I'm not sure how to do that. That's okay, because there's builders now like WordPress, like Wix, like Squarespace, where you can actually build websites, develop them without being a programmer, because they have WYSIWYG editors. And what that stands for is what you see is what you get, and you just drag and drop things around. Now, there's tons of businesses out there who do not have a website yet, whether they are a new business or they're just looking to revamp their online presence, or maybe they're having to make a shift right now from doing brick and mortar type stuff to online to actually make up for lost revenue. Whatever the case may be, you could get paid to develop websites for them. And that's what I actually started off doing early on. Was I learned how to develop websites on a platform called WordPress. So I recommend, if you want to get started with that, go just try messing around on WordPress or Wix or Squarespace, and you can start to actually make money by developing websites for business owners that need it. Now, this is a position that I've hired a lot for. That is a virtual assistant. Now, I've got virtual assistants that help me all the way from things to doing search engine optimization, to actually building websites like I just talked about, to answering emails for me. And it's just what it sounds like. It's an assistant who's virtual. So they're not like coming in every day to your office or your house, but they're virtual. They help out with tasks virtually. You could be a virtual assistant if you're looking to actually make money, you're looking to build a business. You could build a business by offering virtual assistant services. Now, you can get started with this by going on freelance websites like Upwork. And Upwork is great. I hire people there all the time, and I know that you could go and you could put up a resume right now on Upwork, and you could talk about the skills that you have, what you're particularly good at or talented at, and then people put up job descriptions, and they might say like, hey, we need someone to just call our customers and confirm their appointment. There's tons of things that you'll find on Upwork and tons of positions that might be perfect for you. So this is a business model that was pretty popular a few years ago, but there's definitely still a lot of money in it, and that is print on demand. What it allows you to do is it allows you to start t-shirt businesses. You could print on mugs, even on jewelry. And what you can do is you can find popular sayings, and you can start actually offering those to people without having to have any sort of real upfront investment, you know, for like the t-shirts and like the ink and screen printing, because print on demand actually works when someone places the order then the actual order is fulfilled and printed. Now there's apps on stores like Shopify that offer print on demand. There's services out there like Teespring, Gear Bubble, Represent, that's another one, where you can go out there and you can start a print on demand business. All you need to do is have a little bit of creativity and find popular sayings online and put them on a t-shirt, put them on a mug, throw them out to the world, put them on your Facebook page, or build an Instagram profile around it, or maybe a TikTok profile even, and just drop a link over to your print on demand store, and when someone pays for it, you get a cut out of it without having to do any fulfillment, inventory, any of that stuff. This is one of my favorite business models. It's called lead generation. And what it is it's a process of helping a business owner, like let's say a roofer who needs more clients that need roofs put on their house. What we do as a lead generation business is we go and we help that roofer make that connection with a customer. So someone comes, they say, hey, I need a roof on my house. We find a roofer that is willing to do the job, and we make that connection. We get paid for it. How much do you get paid? Well, we get paid $50 every time we give them a lead. Now that doesn't mean they have to actually close the job. The roofer, it's up to them to close the job, so we get $50 whether or not they close the job. But the cool part is that this is a paid per performance type gig. Every time that we send out a lead, we're gonna get paid for it. So anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed these business ideas that you can actually use to make money fast. If you did, smash a like on the video for me and leave a comment below. Which business idea did you like best and would you like to learn more about? I'm curious what you think. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tick the bell notification icon, because I have another cool video coming out very, very soon that I cannot wait to share with you. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Paul James. Peace out.